Hello, 5 power 7 minus 6 without a calculator. So, I can start by expressing the 7 as 6 plus 1. So we have 5 power 6 plus 1 minus 6 and a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. So this is 5 power 6 times 5 power 1 minus 6. Now, I can express this 6 as 5 plus 1. So this simply means we have 5 power 6 times 5, and there is minus here. And this 6, I write it as 5 plus 1. And from here, because there is minus, I need to use it to multiply out. So we have 5 power 6 times 5 minus 5 minus 1. So let's factor out the common term, which is 5. I will simply have 5 times this is 5 power 6 because we divide this by 5 minus 5 divided 5, I have 1. And this other minus 1 is outside the bracket. So from here, I can have 5 times this is 5 power 3 times 2 minus 1 minus 1. Now, if you have a power x times y equals a power x or y. So that means this is 5 times 5 power 3 to the power of 2 minus 1 power 2, and this is minus 1. So right now, there is power 2 here, there is power 2 here. So what we are going to do would be to express 5 power 3 as 5 times 5 times 5. That's 1 to 5, so this is 5 times 1 to 5 power 2 minus 1 power 2 minus 1 power 2 power 2. This minus if you have a squared minus b squared. This equals a minus b times a plus b. So my a is 1 to 5, b is 1. That means I'll simply have 5 times 1 to 5 minus 1 times 1 to 5 plus 1, and this is minus 1. So from here, I have 5 times 1 to 5 minus 1. That's 1 to 4. 1 to 5 plus 1. That's 1 to 6 minus 1. So let's multiply 1 to 4 times 1 to 6. So this is 5 times this is 100 plus 24 times 100 plus 26 minus 1. So from here, I'll have 5 times, if you have a plus b times a plus c, this equals a squared plus a times b plus c plus b times c. So this will be 5 times my a squared, that is 100 squared, plus a, that is 100, times b plus c, 24, plus 26, plus 24 times 26, minus 1. So from here, I have 5 times, this is 10,000, plus 100 times this is 50 plus 24 times 26. We have 24 times 26. 6 times 4, 24. 4 carry over 2. 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus 2. We have 14. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. So we add up together. So this is 4. This is 12. This is 64. So, and this one here, we have minus 1. So from here we have 5 times 10,000 plus this is 10,000. This is 5,000 plus this 64 here minus 1. So this will give us 15,624. So this is, if you add everything, 15,624 minus 1. So we need to multiply out. So we have 1,5,624 times 5. 5 times 4, 20. 0 carry over 2. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 2 carry over 1. 5 times 6, 30 plus 1, 31. 1 carry over 3. 5 times 5, 25 plus 1, 26. 6 carry over 2. 5 times 1, 5 plus 2. We have 7. And this minus 1. So everything at the end of it, we have 7, 6, 1, 1, 9. 20 minus 1 is 19. So our answer right now for this is 5 power 6 or 5 power 7 minus 6 equals, we have 7, 6, 1, 1, 9. That is 76,119. So this becomes our answer. And we have not made use of any calculator. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly drop a comment and share it to some of your Facebook and other social media platforms and YouTube as well. Drop a comment on the comment box. I will really appreciate that. Thank you and goodbye. See you again in our next video. Bye-bye.